What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're out here in my house working on Brayan's car. He's rolling his fenders because he's rubbing a little bit. So what's up to the vlog, man?
What's going on? I'm over here just heating on my fender so I don't crack none of my paint when I roll the fenders, because that would suck.
This is our first time, so don't judge us, okay? Let's see how it goes.
We'll see how it comes out, and if it does come out good, then we'll do his next, but if not, then he'll do his next.
Yeah. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned. We got a little visitor. There's a little lizard back there munching on some ants. See if we can catch him. Where'd he go? Oh, he's back there. We'll finish them. You can have them all.
Doesn't want to fold in.
Is that just that section or what?
Yeah, it's just from here to here, dude.
No, like that little section that doesn't want to
Oh,
go.
yeah, that doesn't want to fold in, yeah. Everything else is folding in good. It's just that one section right there.
The things you gotta do to be low, right?
Yup. You gotta make the sacrifices just because you want coilovers. It's just this one spot, dude. Can't get it in. Put it a little bit more.
Yeah, hurry up, Brian. It's getting dark.
I'll probably just end up doing one side right now. Maybe another day I'll do the other side. I'm not rubbing too bad.
Nah, I think we get it done. We just gotta.
If not, well, we got a garage with a little bit of light.
Yeah. This is the first time doing it, so once we get this one done, the other one should be easier.
That's true. Well, we did waste a lot of time putting this together, so.
Yep. Just in case you guys were wondering what other cars I have, I also have a 2006 Jeep Commander. It's a 4x4. And then I have a 2004 Malibu. That's the daily right there. And then my fiance has her 2008 Honda Civic Hybrid. Right, Bea?
Hi.
Working?
Mm-hmm. Slowly but surely, man. Like here where I put more heat, it started to roll out even better, and the spot where it's all stuck, it's all good now. Just a little bit heavy, just because of the all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive, they said. It'll be fun.
Honestly, dude, I can't wait for winter. Might have to get some new set of wheels or something.
I'll go on my stocks and just put like winter tires on my stocks.
I know. Yeah, I usually have those.
That's true. I'm not gonna sell them. I'm just gonna keep it.
Yeah. All right, we got this side done. Oh, he's going to the other side. We're just doing the front ones, right? You said?
Yeah, I'm just doing the front ones because they rub since they're a lot lower than the rear.
He has pretty good clearance in the back. That's not how it says. It's just he has it jacked up, but.
And that tire shop place, like torque the heck out of these.
They don't use torque sticks, bro. Or torque wrenches. They just hit it straight on with the gun.
Yeah, it was the air one that they were using.
Yeah.
Got any?
Who's that?
Fluffy.
Come on.
I'm getting there.
That's that.
Easier.
He's like, hey.
What are the next mods you got for this thing, Brian?
Probably if I can find engine mods, I'm gonna do a tune, but I gotta get that cooler intake, the cop one, or like find another one, just do something like that. So when I do go get a tune, because I am for sure gonna go get a tune. Once I do that,
You think mine will fit?
I don't know, dude. Honestly, I don't even know.
If mine will fit, then you can have my cob in that, and then I could use the green speed.
This ain't working.
Get it up more. What's it doing?
Pushing it outwards instead of inwards. Here it's pushing it inwards, here pushing it outwards.
What do you mean outwards?
Yeah, it's doing bumps. Here it's going in. There's one bump here, but it's going in. And then this,
No.
these are pushing
Keep that
it out.
bump up.
I also have to get those clips, those safety clips, bro. Because this thing, like, it doesn't have the bracket right here.
Oh, yeah.
So it's coming off, on and off. That's probably the next thing I gotta do ASAP. Just because I don't want my bumper to be dragging on the road.
Hey, babe, don't go over there. Yeah.
So that's for sure the next thing.
Fluffy. It's my daughter's dog, but he likes to follow me around. He likes hanging out with me.
It's gonna be the next shop dog, dude.
He's gonna be the shop dog. It's time to go inside. The street light came on, Brian.